Hey everyone, happy December. It's December 3rd, 2020, and I wanted to give you an update here. There's something new on the website on the home page of formafinancial.com, and what you'll see, it's under the little title here, Active Portfolio Management. There's two charts, and I just want to make sure you understand what these are and what they represent and what's available for you. So the first one here on the left, it's called the MAW Active Portfolio Management System. All right, and the one on the right is called TV1 Active Portfolio Management System. All right, so these are once per month, very low frequency, active portfolio management model. Active portfolio management means instead of being passive, instead of just buy and hold, we actively manage from month to month. All right, so very low frequency. We also do things that are hourly and daily, but this is our very low frequency monthly signals. What you see, this is the history of the strategy from March 2007, going through the Great Recession, all the way until year to date this year. And then the TV1 actually goes back to 1993 is how old that one is, how long that one has been around. Now, you say, well, that's great. Those are historic data. But more importantly, we have been running these strategies for about what you see on the MAW here is probably the last 10% of the chart is what we call out of sample. And that means we took the theory of the past and we took it into the real world in the future, and the results are the same. And what's really awesome about that is our sample, that out of sample, was a very difficult market. A 30+% pullback in the stock market, 10% pullbacks around the election time, and we see very muted pullback in the results and continuous gains here. And TV1 is even better there. So MAW actually hit a new all-time high in P&L out of sample in the real world, and TV1 is on track right there near its all-time high. So these are low frequency strategies, but we do also have now available, just in the last week here, now available is also our hourly signals. All right, so this as an example, just to kind of understand how this would work. For example, you could trade FANG, F-A-A-N-G, that's the Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, and Google basket. And you can trade that on the hourly signals, and we deliver those signals. And same thing, this is the history of it, but we are trading this live, and we're getting the same results in the real world. On top of that, we have a dozen other symbols, lots of other strategies, and a lot of other things going on. All right, so check that out. You can go to formafinancial.com, check out those graphs. Actually, let me show you what it looks like when you join and you get on the inside. Exactly what this looks like. You get to go to the dashboard when you're a member. Open it up, and then here's your intraday swing alerts. So the yellow ones are new, and check this out. So this is, FANG is in here, but also a bunch of other names are in here. And what it shows you is the symbol, the last time the update was given, the strategy we're using, what the position currently is, what the price that it entered was. So Apple entered at 118.70. The market's currently 123. That's not a lie, but it's a recent market update, so you can see that market's been moving nicely since then. But more importantly, the way we work, we want context and we want reasons. We don't want to just say we like the idea, or we think it's a setup, or we think there's a pattern here. We want to know why with real numbers. So the statistics are given right inside of the alert. It says this signal, this strategy we follow, stacked RSI, this signal has generated annualized returns of 16% since 2010. Pretty good, strong for Apple. But we follow some other very strong names too. Here, Facebook, 21% on the same strategy. Bitcoin's up 58% a year on the strategy. And we've got some other big names here. Shopify's up 63% a year, etc. Square, 47. Okay, so all those are in there. Those are our intraday signals. Then this is our daily trends. And this is the active portfolio management model. So in here, this is where you actually can come in, see the current position, see the description, read through all the documentation of the rules on there. All right, so that's how all that works. If you'd like to give it a try, I got good news for you. We have a $0 first week trial. So just get on there, scroll down, and click add to your portfolio on there, or register. Either way, it's going to take you to a page that's going to allow you to register, try a free 7-day trial to come in, follow our alerts, look at our strategies, join the chat room, etc. Come to a live class, and you can see what we're all about. All right, so go ahead, visit Forma Financial, click on the register or the join link, and give us a try for a week. All right, I'll see you on the inside.